Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It is Tuesday, May 21st, 2019. Let's get it going. We have another day in the markets. Actually, I had a little bit of a bloodbath yesterday. Market sold off across the board. It was trading somewhat okay in the morning. Then when all the sectors just started bleeding red, I think it closed um, three green, eight red, and SPY almost closed 2 points down. Obviously, there's a lot of talk still going on with this China-U.S. trade deal. So, tech sector's getting hit. I mean, across the board, everybody, a lot of investors really are not too sure what's going to happen, what companies are going to get squeezed, what kind of sales cross board is going to get hit. So, obviously it's understandable why markets sweat right now, and you're seeing some stocks just selling off. So, people just gonna all cash is a position too. So, you have big boys unloading shares because they want to be one put their funds elsewhere. Two, it's just not stable. So anyway, it's really good for bears. Obviously, bears are in control right now, taking care of emotions. Taking control. And at the end of the day, when you have emotional traders and emotional investors, that's when there's big moves to the downside in the market. So we got five going into the session. We're gonna start our kickoff here with Roku, and Roku obviously, we've been talking about this for a little bit. It's had its run. It's kind of trading sideways as you can see right now, kind of putting in lower highs and lower lows. Looking for the backside. It hasn't. Could you say it started? It's arguably, but I do not think it's ready just yet. Again, our level 7650. We're gonna keep mitigating our res to the previous high, but we definitely have close watching this thing because once it starts to unravel, it's gonna unravel nicely. So, any pop that gets stuffed out, we're gonna do add shares to the position. Next up, we got Restoration Hardware, RH. As you can see, we've been talking about this thing for quite a while. It's selling off, and now it's in the low 90s. We're talking about it when it's in I think 110, 105 is when we started talking about this thing, and it's going to continue. It's elevated. It's getting hurt, obviously with the U.S. China trade war, but nonetheless, it's an elevated company that doesn't belong in this price point. So we still like it to the 87 level, and we're going to stay diligent with that price level until it is reached. SINA, SINA, sold off. It's continuing to sell off. I mean, you can see it. Our target is 42, so we're going to obviously stick with this target, and obviously you can see lower highs and lower lows, being put up on this 5 minute chart on the top left. So anytime you see this lower high, lower low, you mitigate risk at previous high, and enjoy the downtrend. LRCX, this is a new one for us. We're going to keep a close eye on this thing. There's a lot of meat on the bone here. It's obviously in the tech sector. It's getting hit one of the hardest for this trade war situation. So again, it's sitting on its 50-day on the daily right now, but not really too concerned with that. If it bounces, if it holds, great. Then it'll continue higher. But I think right now, with the talks going on, I don't see the 50 holding it. I think it's going to come down closer to the 200. And I think we're going to see the 175 before. Obviously, we will see if it reaches that 200. But I definitely think we're going to see this 175 in the near future. Keys, last up. And what do we got going on? We got our target 71. Obviously sold off yesterday and traded sideways throughout the day. Couldn't really do much. Tried to gain a little bit of love in early or late morning, but just pretty much stayed hugging VWAP the whole day. So we like this. We like this to the downside. 71 is our price target, and we'll stay diligent with this level. All right, guys. Nice and sweet today. Gonna keep it short. And obviously, we have a lot others that we're looking at to the downside. But these are five that we're concentrating on right now. As always, we sit back and wait for price to come to us. We, have our trade ideas, we have our plans set up and ready to go. When price reaches, then we step in. Otherwise, we wait and wait and wait. All right, guys. If you want to know what we're doing here, how we're picking these stocks, how we're trading these charts, or Any other questions, come check out the site at thestreettrading.com and we'll sort you out on the 90-day course. All right, guys, as always, stay diligent with your stops, be patient, and have a great day in the markets. We will check you later.